Welcome. If you rely on Gmail's star feature to keep track of important messages, you'll want to make sure you never miss a starred email. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to enable notifications for every starred email in the Gmail app, so you always stay in the loop. Start by opening the Gmail app on your device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open up the side menu. Next, scroll down until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings and you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Choose the account you want to set up notifications for. Inside your account settings, find and tap on Manage Labels. This is where Gmail lets you customize notifications for different categories and labels, including starred emails. Now, look for the label called Starred and tap on it. This will open the notification settings specifically for your starred messages. Here's the important part. Check the box labeled Label Notifications. This tells Gmail you want to receive alerts for emails with this label. To make sure you get notified for every single starred message, check the box that says Notify for every message. With this enabled, you'll receive a notification each time a new email is starred, so nothing slips through the cracks. That's it. Your Gmail app is now set up to notify you every time you receive a starred email. If you manage multiple accounts, just repeat these steps for each one. Staying on top of your most important emails has never been easier. With these settings, you can confidently rely on Gmail's star feature, knowing you'll get an alert for every message that matters most to you.